little industry of corporate slaves. I too used to have curiosity that was insatiable. Since then I've learned a few things.
Gotta have ketchup. Makes everything better.
Victims of what is available.
You're gonna drink that, you know that, don't you?
This shit, I don't even know what it is, but it's shit. What is it? What's it? Does it say? That shit's Can I put butter in it? Let's put some mustard in it. Some hot sauce. It's child proof.
I for one know I don't pick the trends of the latest fashion statement of the TV.
Okay, maybe not the hot sauce. Some chocolate syrup for flavor and texture.
Drinking every damn drop of it.
Okay. Some Worcestershire sauce.
We're wasting all that shit.
We are the victims of what is available.
Some lemon juice.
Victims of what is available.
It's child proof. Oh wait, no it's not. We need something really gross looking. Like some of this. I don't know what the hell it is. But it's gross looking, so I'll add it to it.
Propaganda dish to you by TV screens. Oh, you must make your choice. Well, I'm here to assure you that you always have a voice. Don't worry about the criticism. It's the latest trend.
Whatever this is, looks like pour a little bit of juice in there. A little bit of this. Weird shit. They have weird shit.
Ketchup,
I already added it.
mustard, honey mustard.
Hot peppers. Okay, we're gonna add some hot peppers and whatever this gross shit is. I don't know what the fuck it is. It looks like toenails.
You don't put some of that shit in there.
Oh, what is it? Vinegar. Sweet and tangy French style.
Quit wasting all that shit, man. You ain't gonna drink it.
Just a drop.
You really gonna drink that?
Yeah. And I'm gonna get sick. I'm gonna report me getting sick. Put some jelly in there. What other kind of nasty shit? Maybe a carrot? Oh, then I'm gonna crack an egg and put it in there. Bet you I will. Bet you I will. Come here and be my cameraman. Alright, another egg.
Salmon. You're gonna spill that.
And all together we got that nasty shit. So let's drink it. Maybe we should mix it up.
Yeah, go ahead, why not?
Ooh, it changed colors. This is delicious. Alright, we'll swallow this. Oh. Oh, in my tummy. It's delicious. You want a drink?
Take one more. Take one more.
One big gulp.
One big gulp. How does them cigarette ashes taste that you just drank? Because your brother thumped his cigarette ashes in your drink.
It's delicious. Oh, yeah, that's vinegar.
Good thing we got garbage disposal now.
Oh, it's red. I swallowed egg yolk. Cut. That's a wrap.